people think light is something you add, but the real masters know light is something you negotiate with. In this session, I want you to forget the idea of illumination as brightness and instead treat it as a psychological contract between subject and viewer. The philosophy here is perceptual light engineering, where the goal is not realism but inevitability, making the eye feel guided without realizing it's being guided. You'll work by isolating how the human brain expects light to behave when it encounters curvature, density, and interruption, then subtly bending those expectations to reinforce form. The actionable insight comes when you stop equalizing light across a surface and instead allow intentional imbalance that implies direction, source authority, and emotional weight. When light appears slightly unfair, the image feels more believable.